How to lock photos on iPhone with Face ID. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Hide. Tap on Hide Photo again to confirm. Now, scroll down to the Utilities section and tap on Hidden. You require Face ID or passcode to view the hidden album. You can view all your hidden photos and videos over here. Following these steps, you can easily lock photos on iPhone with Face ID. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.